So in this video, you'll learn how to delete an alarm group on your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36 and A56. So the first step when it comes to deleting an alarm group is to open the clock app. Tap on alarms and then you can see all the groups that you currently have created on your device. In order for you to delete a group, just long press on it to select it. And then if you have multiple groups you wish to delete, you can also go ahead and select those. Once you've selected the alarm group or groups you wish to delete, look for the option Delete All at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on it. Confirm that you wish to delete the alarm groups. Bear in mind that any alarms that are in the actual groups themselves will also be erased from your device. So if you're okay with this, then just tap on Delete. Or if you want to remove the alarms before deleting, you can go ahead, select Ungroup, and then delete the alarms. And so once you're ready, just tap on Delete, and the alarm groups will be erased from your device. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.